If you're looking for a simple machine, yet something that can be pulled out at any time to sew through just about anything, you've got to check out the Singer Promise 2 Model 1520. This machine here, we are actually doing a video on every page of the manual. So they're nice and short and sweet, and if you're looking for a specific technique or stitch, or you have one of the feet that came with this machine and you don't know what to do with it, make sure you check out all of our videos. We'll have links below every video of where they all hang out on the SewingMastery.com website. So I'm Sarah. I will be your host for all these videos, and right now I want to go through just some of the highlights that you'll find if you are thinking of buying this machine, or if you've already bought it and don't know why you bought it. Okay, so first off, the simple stitch selection dial has 13 stitches. We're going to go through every single one of them step by step. So those are essential stitches, things that you can use for, of course, construction seams, mending, blind hems, sewing on buttons, doing a buttonhole. There's actually a 4-step buttonhole foot that actually comes with this machine. One of the accessory feet that come with it is a button sew-on foot. And if you head over to Singer's website, there's lots of accessory feet that you can purchase that you can add on to this machine, like a walking foot or a free motion quilting foot, a ruffler. Things like that can really expand this use. So a lot of those techniques only take a straight stitch. We're going to go through how to clean and oil this machine, something that if you take the time to take care of it, it's going to treat you well as the months go on, especially if you store it for a while and then take it out maybe a couple times a year. Those will be things that are key to knowing how to take care of your machine. Some additional highlights: this machine takes the easiest to find bobbin. It is a regular class 15 plastic bobbin. We'll put links below all the videos so you can find where to buy more. I think it comes with, let's see here, a couple bobbins. It looks like 3 bobbins. You're going to find that 3 is not enough, so you definitely want to get somewhere in the number of 10 to 20 bobbins. This is a free arm machine, so if you have a pant leg, you can easily slide off the accessory box, slide the pant leg on, and be able to sew around those smaller openings. So really easy to work with. You can pick different stitch widths for the zigzag, so small, medium, and large. There's even a satin stitch option on here. I think I said you could do a blind hem. We've got lots of unique and essential stitches that are just all built in. And you don't even have to know how to set up the length or the width. It's all preset for you, making it super simple. When it comes to needles, you're going to be using standard household sewing machine needles. Again, links below if you need to stock up on some needles. So let's get started. I can't wait to show you all the ins and outs, and starting with which accessories come with this machine.